CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.1 Summarize various security measures and their purposes. Just-in-time access. Just-in-time access is a security approach that provides users with elevated permissions only when they are needed, and only for a limited amount of time. Instead of having constant access to sensitive systems or administrative privileges, users are granted access temporarily, just long enough to complete a specific task. This approach builds directly on the principle of least privilege. Rather than permanently assigning high-level permissions to a user account, just-in-time access ensures those permissions are only available when absolutely necessary. Once the task is complete or the allotted time expires, the elevated access is automatically removed. For example, an IT administrator may not have full administrative rights all the time. Instead, when they need to perform a system update or troubleshoot an issue, they can request elevated access. That access is granted for a short window, allowing them to complete the task, and then it is revoked. This reduces the risk of misuse, whether accidental or malicious. Just-in-time access also aligns closely with the zero trust model. Since access is never assumed to be permanent or unrestricted, every request for elevated privileges can be evaluated and approved based on current conditions. This helps limit the potential impact of compromised accounts by reducing how long sensitive access is available. This time-based and task-based approach helps organizations reduce their attack surface by minimizing standing privileges. Instead of leaving powerful access always available, it is granted only when needed and removed as soon as possible, helping maintain tighter control over critical systems. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.